Have you ever heard the saying, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is? In today's fast-paced financial world, where new banks and fintech companies seem to pop up every day, that saying rings truer than ever. Especially when it comes to banks that promise high-yield interest rates and sleek digital interfaces. So, let's dive into a question that's been swirling around the internet. Is Relay Bank safe? Should you trust them with your hard-earned money? We'll crack open Relay Bank's financial picture, dissect their security measures, and explore what user experiences have been like. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to decide if Relay Bank is the right fit for you. The allure of Relay Bank. Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly been known for keeping up with the times. But Relay Bank is different. They market themselves as the future of finance, a mobile-first bank that promises a seamless banking experience with exceptionally high interest rates on savings accounts. Sounds pretty enticing, right? Especially in a world where interest rates have been hovering around rock bottom for years. But before you jump ship from your traditional bank, there are some key factors to consider. Unveiling the bank, a look under the hood. First things first, is Relay Bank even a real bank? The answer is yes, but with a twist. Technically, Relay Bank operates as a neobank. Essentially, it's a financial institution that offers a digital-first approach to banking, without the physical branches you might associate with a traditional bank. While neobanks can be innovative and convenient, they also come with a different regulatory landscape. Unlike traditional banks, neobanks typically don't have a full banking license. Instead, they partner with established banks to offer FDIC insurance, which protects your money in case the bank fails. Here's where things get interesting with Relay Bank. They currently partner with Sutton Bank, an FDIC-insured institution. This means that in the unlikely event of Relay Bank folding, your funds would be insured for up to $250,000 per depositor. That sounds like a safety net, but there's a catch. The FDIC insurance only applies to the funds held by Sutton Bank, not necessarily all the funds in your Relay Bank account. This is because Relay Bank itself might invest some of your money in other places, and those investments might not be covered by FDIC insurance. Security matters. How does Relay Bank protect your money? Security is paramount when it comes to your finances. So, how does Relay Bank keep your money safe? They utilize industry-standard security measures like multi-factor authentication and encryption to safeguard your information. They also boast about their fraud detection systems that monitor for suspicious activity. However, it's important to remember that neobanks are a relatively new phenomenon, and their long-term security track record isn't as established as traditional banks. While Relay Bank might have all the latest security protocols in place, only time will tell how effective they are in real-world situations. Beyond the security features, what users are saying. User experience is another crucial factor to consider. What has it been like for people who have actually banked with Relay Bank? Here's where we tap into the power of the internet. Online reviews paint a mixed picture. Some users rave about the user-friendly app and the exceptional customer service. Others have encountered issues with transfers or have expressed concerns about the lack of physical branches. It's important to remember that online reviews can be subjective, so take them with a grain of salt. That being said, it's always wise to do your own research and see what other users are saying before making a decision. The verdict: is Relay Bank safe? So, can we definitively say whether or not Relay Bank is safe? There's no simple answer. Relay Bank is a neobank with FDIC insurance for funds held at their partner bank. They utilize security measures common in the industry, but their long-term security track record isn't as established as traditional banks. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to bank with Relay Bank comes down to your own risk tolerance and financial needs. If you're comfortable with a digital-first approach to banking and are attracted to the high interest rates, Relay Bank might be an option for a portion of your savings. However, if you prioritize the security and stability of a traditional bank, Relay Bank might not be the right fit. Remember, diversification is key in any financial strategy. Consider